Hey y'all, it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video. We are going to be doing a Bliss box unboxing. Now, this is a company, it's a small Nederland-based business as well that's across the street from me. I paid for this with my own money, full price, and I was super excited to be able to unbox it with you. I've heard so many good things about it on their Facebook group, and I was like, well, I want to try one. I'm a sucker for subscription boxes, so I figured this might be something fun. Now, look at this packaging on this box. It is absolutely adorable. And it has their name, Baubles and Bliss, on the side, and I will leave their website linked down below. But let's go ahead and open this sucker up. And it feels like it's pretty full. And yes, there is, looks like several items in here. So we'll start off with, okay, so we got a magnetized notepad, and this is by Primitive by Kathy. And if you look, it is buffalo plaid. It is so cute. I adore anything buffalo plaid. The next thing that catches my eye is there is a chapstick holder in here. It is made out of neoprene, and it has a hot cocoa flavored lip balm in here that goes on your key ring. And again, it is buffalo plaid, so that is absolutely adorable. And it's made out of the same stuff that king coolers or koozies are made out of. So that's super cute. Now here's, I guess, what's making the box heavy. And that is a new coffee mug. We like coffee mugs around here. Let's take a look at it. Merry Christmas, have yourself a merry little Christmas. And look, it's got the Christmas truck on this side. And have yourself a merry little Christmas. It is absolutely adorable, and that is also Primitives by Kathy. Love that coffee mug. We also got a screen printed shirt, and you get to choose your size. I ordered a medium in this. And this is Spirit with Style brand. And it says it's the most wonderful time of the year. And again, it has a buffalo plaid truck on it. Look how cute that is. I will definitely be rocking that new Christmas tee this season. Then there is a flower sack towel. If you watch any of my other channel, you definitely know I love to decorate these. So here's one. It says, let's bake stuff and watch Christmas movies, and it is adorable. Let's see, another, ooh, it's one of, they make custom snap jewelry. So this is one of their snap bracelets. Let's see if it wants to focus. With the Christmas truck in it. So that's super duper cute. And a car air freshener in the scent Christmas cookie. And it smells so good. So I guess the theme was the little red pickup truck. This is so cute. So anyways, I will leave them linked in the description box down below. Let me know if you like this and you want me to do another one, because it's a subscription box service, but you have to like place your order every month. It's not something that comes out automatic. Okay, so don't forget to check me out on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, as well as my main channel, which is just Betsy Gocher. Other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below what type of content you want to see during this Christmas season. Other than that, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.